Hello and welcome. We are gonna learn how to download Arduino. So let's go straight to the point. We're gonna go to our favorite browser, we're gonna type Arduino, and then on this page we're gonna go to software. I'm gonna leave the links in the description just in case. So here we're gonna go to downloads, and then we're gonna click here on the downloads options. Depending on your system, you're gonna select one of these. So in my case I have a 64-bit system, but if you have another configuration, then you can go ahead and click on this one, MSI installer. So I'm just gonna click on this one, and then I'm gonna press on just download. Here I'm gonna save it in my computer, and this is going to start downloading. Okay, so once it is finished, we're gonna right click on it, and then we're gonna run it as an administrator. We're gonna say yes, and then the installer is going to open up. We're going to say I agree. I'm going to say for anyone who uses this computer, gonna say next. We're gonna select the destination folder, then we're gonna install it. Alright, so once it is completed, we're gonna click here on finish, and the Arduino IDE is going to open. Alright, so now we are set. What we can do right now is just go to tools, select the port where our Arduino is connected to our computer, and then go to boards. If the board that you have is not appearing here, then you're gonna click here on boards manager, and then you're gonna look for your board. For example, I have an Arduino Uno which is right here, so I'm gonna install this library. And you can do this for all the libraries that you want. We're gonna say yes, and then what we're gonna do is go to tools, board, and then we're gonna see that we can select an Arduino Uno board. And that's everything that I have for you today. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, I'll be more than happy to help. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time.